Working with several PDF files at once. PDFsam Basic lets you process multiple PDFs for tasks like merging, splitting, mixing, or extracting pages without switching between files one by one. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to process multiple PDFs in PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch PDFsam Basic from your desktop or Start menu. After the application opens, choose the tool that matches the task you want to perform. For example, you might select Extract, Split, Mix, Merge, or Rotate. Next, click Add and select multiple PDF files from your computer. You can also drag and drop several PDFs directly into the application if the selected tool supports it. Holding the Control or Command key while selecting files makes it easy to choose multiple documents at once. Once the files have been added, review their order carefully. If necessary, move them up or down until they appear in the sequence you want. Yeah, the order matters for tasks like merging or mixing documents. Now adjust the settings for the tool you're using. Depending on the task, you may choose page ranges, output options, rotation settings, or other available preferences. Take a quick moment to review everything before starting the process. Select where you'd like the processed PDF files to be saved. Choosing a dedicated folder can make it much easier to find the finished documents. You can also rename the output file if the selected tool provides that option. Finally, click the Run button. PDFsam Basic will process your PDF files using the settings you've selected. So once the task is complete, open the output folder and verify that every file was created successfully. And that's how to process multiple PDFs in PDFsam Basic. Whether you're combining documents, splitting files, or organizing pages, handling multiple PDFs at once can save you a lot of time. I mean, once you're familiar with the workflow, managing large batches of PDF files becomes much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.